Hi guys, I'm Kerry and I'm here today to teach you the choreography we use at Kerry on Dancing for the Runaround Sue song by Dion. Okay, so there's 3 sections to the dance. We have a clapping section, we have the Runaround Sue section, and we have the She Likes to Travel Around section. So we do the same steps to each part of the music, so it's just a case of remembering what order the music goes in. All right, so the first section, the clapping, is when they sing the Woohs. We clap on 2, 4, 6 and 8, and we go up, up, down, down. So right, left, we get and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 lots of 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We then do the same steps and the same hand claps, but we turn it to our right, a quarter of a turn each time. So we end up facing every direction of the room. Turning to the right, here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We then have the Runaround Sue part, which is the points, the swivels and the kicks, okay? So we start, we click our fingers and we point our toes. So we get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 counts, but it's only 4 points. So point, close, point, close, point, close, point, close. All right. From there, we swivel forwards and we do a little jazz hands with a circle with our arms. Starting with the right foot, we go to the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay. So I'll just go back and do that again for you. Starting with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We then do the kicks. Now, there's 2 ways of doing the kicks. If you can't manage the drunken sailor, which I'm going to do, then you can just leave it out and wait and hold. So I'm going to get kick, kick, drunken sailor, kick, kick, drunken sailor. Okay, the drunken sailor is a behind, side, replace, behind, side, replace. If you want to practice it on its own, it's that. Behind, side, replace, behind, side, replace. But we do 2 kicks, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Or if you want to leave that out, you can just get kick, kick and close and wait, kick, kick and close and wait. You'll still be in time and on the right foot, okay? So kick, kick and down, kick, kick and down. Or you can add the little bounce, whatever you want to do. Okay? From there, we do a quarter of a turn to our left. We put the hands out and the foot at the same time. So it'll be your right foot, but you've turned to your left and you bob front, back, front, and then you close your feet and face the front again. You close your left foot to your right foot. All right? So if I just do all of that little section again from the points and do the counts for you. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swivel 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Wait, hold it there. Rock, front, back, front, close. Okay. Good work. We then repeat it, but we travel backwards. And as we travel backwards, we're not going to swivel, we're going to take little small steps back. But to start, we're going to do our points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to do little steps backwards and click, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You then do the kicks again. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Wait, hold it there. Front, back, front, close. Left foot to right foot. All right, that's the Runaround Sue section. The next bit, we have our little box step, and this happens whenever they sing She Likes to Travel Around. Okay, so we've finished front, back, front. We've closed our left foot to our right foot. We now use our right foot again to get She Likes to Travel Around, which goes step, cross, back, side. So that's a little box step there. You then make a love heart shape with your hands, and you go out, in with your foot. Okay, and then let's just do that again with a count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the other side. Okay, so 2 on each side. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and pump it to the right and pump it to the left. There you go. We can do that again. Step, cross, back, side, pump it to the right and a pump it to the left. Boom. There you go. And that's literally all of the dance steps, but you just need to remember the order of the song. So the first time round, we do the claps, 4 lots of 8 facing front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next bit, the points for the Runaround Sue are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we take it forward, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we do the kicks, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wait, hold it there, rock, front, and close, and point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we take it back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we do the kicks, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. We wait and hold. Bam. A front, back, front. We go to the claps. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're gonna turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're gonna turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're gonna turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we do the box step. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And a pump it to the right. Pump it with the left. And again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And pump it with the right. Pump it with the left. Runaround Sue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And forwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we do the kicks. 2, 3, and 4. A 5, 6, 7. Wait and hold. A bam. A front, back, front, and close. And points. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we take it back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And a kicks. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait and hold. Bam. A front, back, front, and close. The next one's the box step this time. Step, cross, back, side, pump it to the right and pump it to the left. Again, step, cross, back, side, pump it to the right, pump it, Runaround Sue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it goes on. Okay, so the order is claps facing the front, clap and turn. Then Runaround Sue, then clap and turn, then the box step, She Likes to Travel Around, then Runaround Sue, then the box step, and then Runaround Sue again, okay? There is one little bit that I forgot about at the beginning because it's slow and he has his little guitar, and for that bit where it goes, here's my story but sad and true, we do a step on the right foot, and we do a big wave across with our left arm. So it goes, here's my story, it's sad but true. We do the same with the left. It's about a girl that I once knew. I then cross my right foot over my left foot. My arms are going to do a big circle. And at the same time, I'm going to untwist my feet. and end up twisted back up again, but in the other direction, okay? So you don't want to do too much with this. You just literally cross and turn your body and your feet will do the right thing, okay? So we get, here's a story, it's sad but true. It's about a girl that I once knew. She took my love and ran around. Whoa, the floor's sticky. So with every single guy in town. There's 2 clicks. And then it goes into the whoa bit there. All right, the whoas. So what I'll do, that's the routine, that's the steps. I will write the sequence in the comments below. And if you want to dance it with me and Lauren, there's also a separate video of me and Lauren dancing it. So you can copy us in the video and dance along to Runaround Sue with us. Hope you're having a good day. I shall see you all soon. Take care. Bye.